Circumscribing a cycle. To circumscribe a cycle means to draw a square inside the cycle. So if you want to do that, you follow the steps in this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share if this short tutorial is helpful to you. Now, the first thing is to first draw our reference line. So here is our reference line. For the sake of this tutorial, the square that I'll be constructing, I'll be using 4 centimeters. So now once you draw a straight line, you pick a particular point, should be your point A. So now let's use this point as our point A. So now once you use that point as your point A, the next step is to draw a perpendicular. So in order to construct a perpendicular at this point, you now open your pair of compass and you now draw a semicircle. So now once you draw a semicircle like that, at this point, you now open to your convenient radius and you now strike an arc. At this point too, using that same radius, you now strike another arc. Now the next step is to join where the line intersects with the origin. So this is the first step, and this is how to construct a perpendicular. Now the next step is to construct our square. Like I said earlier, we'll be making use of the 4 centimeters. So we now measure our 4 centimeters at this point. And here is our 4 centimeters. So we now indicate. So you transfer the measurements from your meter rule 4 centimeters. And at this point, you now cut an arc. And then using the measurement we've taken earlier, you cut another arc here. Using that same measurement, you now cut another arc here. So the distance from here to this place is 4 centimeters, from here is 4, and from here to 4. So this is how to construct a square. So we'll now proceed. I will now link all of them together. So here is our square. I will proceed and I will use a marker to outline. So now here is our square of 4 centimeters. If you want to verify, you see we have 4 centimeters at this point. So now for you to draw a cycle around the square, you first of all determine the center of this square. To determine the center of the square, you draw a diagonal from this point to obtain the center. So here is the center of the square, which is O. This point is the center. So in order to draw a cycle around the square, you now take a measurement from here to this point and you now draw a cycle. So now once you place that properly, you now proceed to draw the cycle. So that is how to circumscribe a square. If this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.